Ng mga kapar, may buntag, kining akong gi videohan karon is mao kini ang aloe vera, no? Aloe vera kanang pamilya ni siya sa mga succulent ni siya nga family herbs ni siya. Pwede ni siya itambal na kay pasok, pwede ka matambal ni ini, pwede ka magamit ani planting time, mid spring, late spring, early summer, og fall and winter, no? Aloe vera, a species of aloe, also known as true aloe, Chinese aloe, Barbados aloe, one of heaven, Mediterranean aloe. So dili kini siya toxic, no? Na tanom. Aloe vera is an evergreen succulent species native to the Arabian Peninsula. The thick leaves are filled with gooey flesh that stores water for survival in its native desert territories. Aloe vera has become a popular houseplant, and it is also incorporated into a wide range of cosmetics and skincare products. Kasagaran ang aloe vera ginagamit og pang sagol sa mga skincare products, mga cosmetics, no? Habitat niya kay maritime sands o mga bato rocks, no? Ang pamilya niya family Asphodelaceae, asphodel, mga pamilya sa aloe vera. So kinahanglan niya ani dili siya kayo prone sa kaning basa. Dili ni siya kayo bason nimo, pero dapat kung pwede nagiinit kay ilang ampay ang init, no? So mo ni siya ang aloe vera. Kining aloe vera is pwede na siya beauty improvement value niya. Aloe vera can be used directly for beauty treatment. It can tighten, soften, and moisturize skin and diminish inflammation, no? So pwede ni siya kung magbulad ka sa adlaw, maka sunburn ka, pwede ni mo siya pang pahid ni mo na i-apply ni mo na siya imong panit. So garden use, aloe vera is an iconic piece found in rock and succulent gardens all over the world. Its interesting shape and verdant color have won the spot an award of market merit, which has only made it even more popular. Aloe vera is typically grown near other low water plants such as cacti or other succulents, or in pots as a standalone. It works great as a specimen plant in a rock garden or in containers. So maski asa sa ibutang butubo siya, basta kay imo siya painitan, bisbisan mo pagtubo siya, no? So kung makadungog ka og aloe vera, you think of gel, di ba? Kung mga dunggan nimo pag moingog aloe vera, sus kada kag gel siya. Facial mask and maybe even aloe yogurt. It is widely used in our daily lives, however, never eat it raw. Ayaw sigid siya og kauna paghilaw since it contains aloin. Kining aloin maka-cause ni og diarrhea. It can cause diarrhea. According to legend, aloe vera won the favor of Alexander the Great on one of his expeditions for its edible and anti-inflammatory properties. Alexander the Great sustained his soldiers by growing aloe vera, which was then widely cultivated. So mao di ay nga laganap kayo ang aloe vera, no? Tungod kay Alexander the Great, kay kada sundalon niya iyang patamnon o aloe vera maski asa sila mapadpad nga nasod. So ingana siya ka interesting fact niya. Name history. Its Latin name aloe vera is most commonly used where aloe stems from the word aloe in Arabic meaning shining and bitter. So sinaw siya unya aslom, no, bitter, diba? Pait. Just like its pulp, it tastes bitter even with its crystal clear appearance. Oh, diba? Gat kapait ug aslom. True aloe. When people hear the name true aloe, they all raise the same question. Is there a fake aloe? The true aloe is not used to identify the authenticity of aloe. Instead, it is derived from its scientific nomenclature, where its specific species epithet "vera" means true or genuine. Okay. Ang vera is derived from the scientific name true, true, true. No? True. Tinuod or genuine. Barbados aloe. Mapanilayan niya pangalan. Chinese aloe, Mediterranean aloe. When you realize that aloe vera is called different based on different geographically location, you might wonder about the plant's origin. In fact, it did not originate from Barbados, China, or even the Mediterranean. It actually originated from the Arabian Peninsula, but nobody calls it Arabian aloe. I wonder how. I wonder why. Wala siya tawag og Arabian, no? Gikan mo tanaw siya sa Arabian Peninsula. So, wala lang siya. Poem ang poem ang aloe vera. A dreamer lived his dream midway, for larger hope and graver fears. Life greetings in these later years, centuries of flowers today. So, ano siya yung poem. So, sa atong daily lives, ang aloe vera day pwede nato magamit og pang herbal, no? Pero herbal siya para sa paso. Pwede nimo siya apply sa imong buhok, no? Paso kay apply mo sa imong skin. Kung gusto kag shiny imong buhok na humok siya, pwede mo siya apply sa imong buhok. So, ano guys? Muna na ang konting kalaman bahin sa tanom nga aloe vera. So, until next time mga kaparpar.